For the past several months, humanity has been fighting with the virus SARS-CoV-2, which causes COVID-19. Worldwide, over 9 million cases have been reported, with a case fatality rate of 5%. However, in the darkest of times, we must hold hope. Our body's adaptive immune systems have the capability of recognizing pathogens, eliminating them, and in result, acquiring immunity. The way this works is that our bodies come in contact with a pathogen like SARS-CoV-2. Each pathogen will have an antigen on the surface which can stimulate an immune response. These antigens are recognized by T cells, which can either cause the production of antibodies to neutralize the pathogen or destroy the pathogen itself. In this process, specific memory cells will form that will have the ability to produce a fast immune response against the previously confronted pathogen. This immune response is slow to attain, and in certain cases, it does not develop in time to fight back the virus. Now this is where a vaccine comes in. Common vaccine usually has a weakened or disabled form of the pathogen, with which the body's specific adaptive response can be developed faster, while the pathogen is not causing a disease. All vaccines have their own advantages and disadvantages, and not all vaccines tend to work as expected. For example, although live attenuated vaccines which have a weakened form of the pathogen have helped humans battle measles, mumps, and rubella, are not suitable to people with weakened immune systems. Vaccine development comprises of 3 different stages, and the first stage is making the vaccine. The second stage, which can take up the most time, is where the vaccine must undergo clinical trials. Clinical trials evaluate immune response, safety, and appropriate dosage. This is the most crucial step in vaccine development because once the vaccine is approved, it will be sent to the third stage, where manufacturing and distribution occurs. As the population of humankind exceeds 7 billion, the distribution will first focus on those at higher risk, which in the case of COVID-19 would include doctors, infants, and elders. Vaccine development is not an easy task to accomplish. It is time-consuming and vitally important. The COVID-19 pandemic has showed us once again that what is good for humankind is not necessarily good for Earth and other life. You may have noticed noise reduction in your neighborhood during quarantine. You may have also noticed that the night sky has become more clearer. This pandemic is not only urging us to stay at home and practice social distancing, it is also urging us to be more thoughtful about our everyday actions. We have made too many excuses when polluting Earth, when destroying Earth and the life around it. But these excuses were nothing when the pandemic threatened our lives. I hope that this video not only uplifts awareness about the many issues that come alongside our many actions, but also inspires change as soon as possible. And this as soon as possible is right now. Thank you.